Hello, everyone. Today we will practice the word job. Let's practice together. Job, job, job.
Job.
New job.
I have a job.
She has a job.
Job interview.
I have a job interview.
He passed the job interview.
Job offer.
I received a job offer.
She accepted the job offer. Job description.
The job description is clear.
Job responsibilities.
My job responsibilities are many.
Job satisfaction. Job satisfaction is important. Looking for a job.
I am looking for a job.
Thank you for practicing with me. Please subscribe, like, and share VocabStick. See you again tomorrow.